Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the AK MACD BB indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the AK MACD BB indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested 305 indicators, and out of those 305 indicators, 121 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 121 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Okay, so today's indicator is the AK MACD BB indicator, and you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. And so basically we have a channel created by two lines, which creates this kind of blue zone here, and then you can see that we have these dots, red dots and green dots, and as they travel through the cloud and the red dots go or drop out below the cloud, that is a short signal. When the dots travel up above the cloud and pop out as green dots, that is a long signal. Now, additionally, the bars are colored on top here. The price action bars are colored specifically for the long signals and short signals. And so the light blue bars are short signals and the yellow bars are long signals. And so it makes it easier there to kind of spot the signals as well. Now, I generally don't like keeping the bar coloration on, but we'll go ahead and do it on this one. And yeah, basically when we get yellow bars, we're going to go long. When we get blue, light blue bars, we are going to go short. So pretty simple setup. All right, so when we get a washout right here, you can see that it goes from yellow, then goes to our traditional red and green, and then pops back out the other side, yellow right there. That's going to be a continuation or a valid long signal. Looks like we hit our take profit there. We did not get stopped out, so nice little trade there. Did all right for us. Then we get a short over here on this side. Whoops, wrong tool there. So a short right there. It looks like we got to take profit. Let's double check here. Yep, we sure did. So another decent trade right there. Another decent short trade. Then we pick up a short signal right here. Unfortunately, almost immediately turns around, takes off on us to the upside, but then we do pick up a long signal over here on this one, and that one would have gotten us to take profit. Continue on with this here. So we pick up a short signal right there. That one's not going to work out for us. My dog is over there scratching and banging on the wall, so it sounds like somebody's beating on my door, but they are not. All right, so back to the indicator here. So we pick up a short right there. Did this one get us to take profit? Yes, it did. There we go. Short signal, another decent little trade there. Then we pick up a long over here on this side, actually on that one. That one would not have worked out for us. It doesn't look like it hit our stop, but then we pick up short over here, right about there. And that also wouldn't have worked out for us. Looks like it almost immediately did this really big spike to the upside right there, which probably would have stopped us out. Definitely would have stopped us out. Let's just measure it out to be sure. So that spike was 251 pips. So yep, it definitely stopped us out. All right, so we pick up a long over here on this side, and once again, almost immediately, it drops out on us, getting a losing signal. But then we pick up a long right there. That one works out for us. That one definitely would have gotten us to take profit. Same way with the short right here. Definitely take profit on those. Then we pick up a long right here. That one would have gotten us stopped out. It dropped out over here for a short, but that one short there would have gotten us to take profit. So not too bad at this point. So what I'm going to do is cut just a little bit of the video out here. Not very much. We're almost to the end of the year. But I'm going to cut a little bit out so that way video doesn't get too long. So I'm going to pick this up when we get a little bit closer to the end of the year. All right, so we are almost to the end of the year now. Looks like, let's see. So we got a short signal right here. That thing rode out forever. You can see that these the red dots really went down, 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 and price had just kind of rode sideways for the longest time. That got us to take profit. Then we pick up this long right here. That one almost immediately gets canceled out for a short signal over here on this side, and that one would have gotten us to take profits. And that puts us at the end of the year there. All right, so before we count these out, now would be a good time to say that if you're looking to really dial in your trading, whether you're a new trader or an experienced trader, I highly recommend that you get involved with our Patreon-only channel on our Discord server. Of course, that requires you to be a Patreon, but on there we are posting a lot of good information, a lot of good advanced advice information, a lot of strategies. We have a list of a lot of the winning indicators for the MT platforms, just a lot of good stuff. The admins and some of the users are posting regular trade ideas almost on a daily basis. Multiple members on the Patreon only channel are successfully growing small accounts really rapidly and have some really good growth on those accounts. So again, if you're looking to really excel your trading knowledge or just get in an environment that has a lot of like-minded, positive, inspirational people to be involved with, I highly recommend that you get on our Patreon and then join the Patreon only channel. It's a great place to be. Alright, so back to the indicator here. Let's pull this out a little bit and even all that out. Alright, let's count these out and see what we get out of it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and 23. So we have 23 trading signals altogether. A little bit of a tongue twister there. And we have, let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14 winning trades. And so that barely meets the 60% criteria that we're looking for, but it definitely made it there. Interesting indicator to say the least. Was giving us some, kind of weird signals. Definitely gave us quite a few signals, and that's good for 1 year's time. We definitely want something that can give us a reasonable amount of signals. But all in all, a reasonably solid indicator. Not too bad at all. So this one's definitely going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.